Tranquility and Luxury at Spion Kop Lodge. Nestled in the picturesque town of Winterton, South Africa, Spion Kop Lodge offers a truly enchanting retreat for those seeking tranquility and luxury. This four-star hotel boasts a stunning location amidst the rolling hills and lush landscapes of the Drakensberg Mountains, providing a breathtaking backdrop for a memorable stay. As you step into the lodge, you'll be greeted by warm and friendly staff who are dedicated to ensuring that your every need is met. The spacious and elegantly designed rooms at Spion Kop Lodge offer a peaceful sanctuary where you can unwind and rejuvenate. With a total of 10 rooms, you can expect an intimate and personalized experience throughout your stay. Check-in at Spion Kop Lodge begins at 2 p.m., allowing you to settle in and make yourself at home in this idyllic setting. The checkout time is until 10 a.m., giving you ample time to savor your final moments at the lodge before bidding farewell to this captivating retreat. At Spion Kop Lodge, families are welcome, and children between the ages of 0 to 1 can stay free of charge. This child-friendly policy ensures that everyone can enjoy a memorable vacation together. Whether you're traveling with little ones or seeking a romantic getaway, Spion Kop Lodge promises an unforgettable experience in the heart of South Africa's natural beauty. Convenience facilities at Spion Kop Lodge. Enhancing your stay at Spion Kop Lodge. We understand the importance of convenience and comfort during your stay. That's why we offer a range of convenient facilities to ensure a hassle-free experience. Our laundry service takes care of your clothing needs, allowing you to travel light and return home with fresh and clean clothes. Our dedicated room service is available round the clock, ensuring that you can indulge in delicious meals and snacks without leaving the comfort of your room. Stay connected with our complimentary Wi-Fi in public areas, allowing you to easily browse the web, check emails, or share your memorable experiences with friends and family. For those who prefer to smoke, we have a designated smoking area where you can enjoy your cigarette without disturbing other guests.